No, really? I'm richer, better looking, drive a better car, have a better job, and live in a bigger house.
How wonderful that you have a nice house, job, and car. You're blessed.
Wait, no envy? Aren't you jealous?
No, I feel joy for your good fortune and wish you more of it.
How are you able to be happy for me when I have more than you and I'm bragging about it?
You see, my friend, each of us values certain things. The things you have mentioned, the possessions and privileges, are not important to me. Love is important to me. Compassion is important to me. Kindness is important to me. When one lives this way, then there can be no envy of another's material success. And yes, my dear friends, Sufism preaches the same compassion, kindness, and love above all. And here, Imam Al Shafi Rahmatullah Alai says, I accompanied the Sufi people and I received from them three kinds of knowledge. They taught me how to speak, they taught me how to treat people with leniency and a soft heart. They guided me in the way of Sufism.
Shams Tabrizi Rahmatullah Alayh says, the Kaaba is in the middle of the world. All faces turn towards it. If it's taken away, see, each is worshipping the soul of each.